The Escalante is canyon country and boasts some of the best slot canyons in the world. A popular area of the Escalante is the Egypt Bench, named because early pioneers thought the arid landscape matched that of northern Africa. The Egypt Bench has a number of canyons, named numerically from 0 through to 5. Egypt 3 is a good canyon, requiring technical skills and experience, with 1 or 2 pothole escapes. The Egypt Bench is off Hole in the Rock Road. The Egypt Road is a little rough, especially passing Egypt 2 Wash, but normal cars driven carefully can access Egypt 3. From the trailhead, you'll need to route find into the top of the canyon across slick rock. You can avoid the first long rappel. Just on the edge of the Carmel Rim, it's going to be an easy slick rock descent down Navajo sandstone there into Egypt 3. That's looking back up canyon at what we missed. Got a shallow slot almost immediately. Lots of easy scrambling and stemming.
Really muddy. Okay.
And a little pothole to get out of. Not as easy as it would be without muddy feet. The full loop hike took us about 5 hours, car to car. Bit of a slide. Actually some moss in the canyon seems unusual for Utah. The upper part of the canyon has a number of downclimbs and a few shallow potholes. This section is rated 2A, so experienced canyoneers shouldn't need a rope until the bottom section. Canyon's definitely sliding up. The upper section narrows towards the end, where you'll be moving sideways and doing lots of scraping.
Like breathing.
The scraping does last for quite a while. It's unusual, the rock is very knobbly. If it gets narrow, it's going to hurt.
It's going to get even tighter.
I've reached a very narrow section here, which is about chest width apart.
Yep.
Little tricky pool to climb out of there.
Nice smelly mud. Made it.
Canyon's eventually opened out. I've got a few hundred metres of walking on slick rock. Reached the last section. There is a sling around a bridge in the centre of the screen. I'm going to leave our rope here, collect it on the way back. Yeah, we've tied our rope off, figure 8. It's probably about 15 metres to here, and it looks like an awkward pothole to get out of. But it's probably not that deep.
Thankfully our pothole isn't swimming, so it should be easy enough to get out.
Partner assist.
Nah, there it is. It's not going to catch. Oh, did it catch on? Nah. Yes! If it is over there. Maybe not. Ah, come on.
I realise I should have proseced to have more friction with the rope on the rock.
No! Oh, Ridge, you alright?
Is that good? Okay, so I'm just going to put my hand there.
Yeah.
Is that good? 1, 2, 3. Yep, good. Okay.
Alright, well, we're out. Partner assist worked well there. Partner assist got Melissa out. Straight on the other side, got a drop down which will hand line. And I guess leave the rope there to pull back up. Then hand line in down the other side of the pothole. We left our harnesses behind to pick up later, wanting to take the least amount of gear through the lower PG slot. This lower section is rated 3B, so you will likely find water and will have 2 potholes to deal with. Been some nice sculpted narrows. And then here we have a little pothole which looks like it requires a bit of a jump. Not easy with muddy feet.
Here goes. This is going to be Unco. Not the most graceful exit, but I made it.
Beached whale.
It's a great tactic. You should try it.
Knee-deep wading.
Now I can't see the canyon spider. Does that mean it's on me?
Tree there, so I feel we've got to the end. Final waist deep pool. Hard to get out with all the slippery mud. That was Egypt 3. Here's the confluence of 25 Mile Wash with Egypt's 2 and 3. Just need to walk down 25 Mile Wash for a few minutes and then exit out on the left. Egypt 3 is a good canyon with several obstacles that will challenge and interest most groups. It's worth staying a number of nights on the Egypt bench to explore the other Egypt slots, and possibly also a visit to Neon Canyon with the majestic Golden Cathedral down by the Escalante River, and also Ringtail Canyon 2 just downstream.